Internet of Things, IoT in farming. The Internet of Things, IoT, has revolutionized various industries, and agriculture is no exception. IoT in farming refers to the use of interconnected devices, sensors, and data analytics to improve agricultural processes, increase efficiency, and optimize resource management. This technology has the potential to address some of the significant challenges faced by the farming sector, such as increasing food demand, water scarcity, and the need for sustainable practices. Here are some key applications and benefits of IoT in farming. 1. Precision agriculture. IoT sensors and devices can be deployed across the farm to collect real-time data on various environmental factors, including soil moisture, temperature, humidity, and light intensity. This data helps farmers make informed decisions regarding irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. By applying inputs precisely where and when they are needed, farmers can reduce resource wastage and enhance crop yields. 2. Livestock monitoring. IoT devices can be attached to livestock to monitor their health, location, and behavior. For instance, smart collars can track the movement of cattle, helping farmers identify any signs of illness or distress. This enables early detection of diseases and ensures timely veterinary care, thereby improving animal welfare and productivity. 3. Automated farming operations. IoT-enabled machinery and autonomous vehicles can carry out various farming tasks, such as planting, harvesting, and spraying, with minimal human intervention. These smart machines can optimize routes, avoid obstacles, and perform tasks more efficiently, saving time and labor costs. 4. Crop health management. Drones equipped with IoT sensors and cameras can fly over fields to capture high-resolution images. These images can be analyzed using AI algorithms to detect signs of plant diseases, nutrient deficiencies, or pest infestations. Early detection helps farmers take preventive measures, reducing crop losses and the need for excessive chemical treatments. 5. Environmental monitoring. IoT devices can also be used for monitoring environmental conditions beyond the farm's boundaries. Weather stations and water quality sensors can provide valuable information about weather patterns, potential droughts, and the health of nearby water sources. This data assists farmers in making better decisions about crop choices and water usage. 6. Supply chain optimization. IoT can streamline the entire agricultural supply chain by providing real-time data on crop conditions, transportation, and storage. This transparency enhances traceability and allows stakeholders to make data-driven decisions, leading to reduced food wastage and better product quality. 7. Resource conservation. With IoT technology, farmers can optimize the use of water, fertilizers, and pesticides. By precisely delivering these resources where they are needed, they minimize waste, reduce environmental impact, and promote sustainable farming practices. Despite its numerous benefits, the adoption of IoT in farming faces challenges like initial setup costs, data privacy concerns, and the need for reliable internet connectivity in rural areas. However, as technology advances and becomes more affordable, IoT is expected to play an increasingly crucial role in shaping the future of agriculture, making it more efficient, productive, and sustainable.